Hi guys, and welcome to today's live trade analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking about the trade what I have taken for the day, and I'll be showing you the live market clip as well. And also we'll be quickly doing the Nifty 50 analysis for the day, like how the market has performed for the day. And also we'll be checking out all the indices, how they have performed for the day. So it will be a quick and brief analysis. So now first let's talk about the today's trade what I have done. So today I have traded on Ipka Lab. Okay, so this was a trade what I have taken around 9:28 a.m. So it was a short sell around 1, 2 to 4 levels. Okay, so this is where I have short sold, and after I short sold, you can see here the stock has come down. Okay, so the lowest point what it has made for the day is 1200, almost 25 points down. It has come for the day. This was a trade what I have taken according to my study and the strategy, which are without any indicators. Okay, so this is a very unique strategy. Okay, and by following my discipline, I have kept my 1% target, almost like 12 to 13 points, and the target was achieved here. And if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's take a look about Nifty 50. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day, if you guys can see. So it almost looks like a bearish day in Nifty 50 today. So you can see here the market has come down a bit, and it has taken a good support around 24144 today, and from there you can see at the closing the market has tried to go up, but it has not recovered the fall what it has given in the morning today. So the market today is almost closing around minus 0.50% down, I can tell. So it's currently trading at minus 0.46% down by 111 points down. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 opened for the day at 0.11% up. Advanced stocks were 30, declines were 11, but still you can see here the market has come down for the day. So it has lost almost 100 points down today. Okay, so looking at the indices, we can see here the indices have been performed almost in a normal way, but there are indices which have lost more than 1% for the day. So Nifty IT has declined more than 1%. So Nifty Media 1.76%, Nifty Metal with 1.73% down, and again PSU Bank with 1.36% down, and Reality and Nifty PSU Bank, all these indices have been declined a lot for the day. So overall, this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day, and this is how the market has performed for the day, and this is how it has closed for the day. So overall, it was a bearish day in Nifty 50 is what I can tell. So guys, yes, this is the trade what I have done today, and this was the overall market analysis for the day. So if you guys want to learn from me and want to get in touch with me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and you can get in touch with me personally to learn from me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.